Voya presents Maldives, where doing nothing feels like everything. The Maldives isn't just a destination, it's a mood. A tropical paradise of 1,000 plus islands where luxury meets turquoise waters, white sands, and ultimate leisure. Lounge in overwater villas, sip cocktails under the stars, and simply relax. With a simple visa on arrival process for Indians and flights just 2 hours away, your perfect getaway is easier than ever. All you need to do is pack and go. Is this your kind of escape? The Maldives is where you master the art of do not disturb. Whether you're rekindling romance, chasing postcard perfect beaches, or just escaping it all, this tropical haven is always within reach. Honeymooners live the ultimate fantasy. Beach lovers find paradise, and the I need a break from life crowd finds peace here, complete with infinity pools and a butler who somehow reads your mind. Spend your days snorkeling with neon fish, dining barefoot on sandbanks, or simply soaking up the serenity of your private villa. Fun trivia. In the Maldives, every island is its own little world, and over 150 are private resorts. It's like having an island all to yourself. Something for everyone. Sunset cruise, pure Maldivian magic. Wind in your hair, drink in hand, and sky ablaze with pink, purple, and gold. Crystal clear waters below. The world pausing just for you. That is what a Maldives sunset cruise is all about. Night cruise. The Maldives after dark is unforgettable. Under a sky full of stars, with romantic music and the ocean glowing beneath you, it feels straight out of a movie. Motorized water sports, pure adrenaline, Maldivian style. Race across the ocean on a jet ski, soar like a superhero while parasailing, or laugh your way through a banana boat ride. Thrills, splashes, and unforgettable fun await. Couples Day Spa. Float above the ocean in an overwater spa with soothing waves, calming scents, and pure bliss. Floating breakfast. Fresh fruit, fluffy pancakes, and perfect eggs served on a tray that floats in your pool, with views so stunning you'll want to stay forever. Capture the moments. Private sandbanks, a dreamy, secluded patch of sand surrounded by endless turquoise waters. Ideal for proposals or just flexing your private island vibes. Maldives sunsets, nothing ordinary. Fiery skies in orange and blush pink, made for no-filter moments. Lagoon bliss, clear blue waters perfect for reflection shots or to show off your floating breakfast. Overwater resorts, luxury at every angle. From ocean-blending pools to breakfast with a view, these villas are pure perfection. Underwater magic, a whole new world. Swim with reef sharks, vibrant fish, and coral gardens. Taste and indulge. No food FOMO here. Indian food in the Maldives is everywhere. From fluffy naans to perfect dosas, veg, non-veg, Jain, spicy or mild. Whatever you crave, they've got it. Feels like the Maldives loves Indian food as much as we do. Global bites? Oh yes. Sushi by the sea, Italian pasta with ocean views, or a perfectly grilled chicken steak in the breeze. Every bite takes you somewhere new, minus the jet lag. Drinks, vibes, and sunset goals. From artful cocktails to fresh coconut water, every sip here is a vibe. By the pool, under the stars, or knee-deep in the ocean, you choose. What's your villa vibe? Beach villa vibe. Your perfect beachside sanctuary. Step out and you're on the sand. Ocean just steps away. Wake up to salty breezes, sip coffee to the sound of waves, and stroll the beach anytime. Spacious, private, and ideal for nature lovers who love easy beach access. Water villa vibe. The ultimate luxury. Your own private paradise floating above the ocean. Wake up to endless blue. step straight into the water and soak in unbeatable views. Quiet, serene, and oh so dreamy. Dining plans. Half-board includes breakfast and one meal. It can be either a dinner or lunch. Perfect if you want flexibility to explore local eats or spend your day on excursions without worrying about lunch. Full board. Breakfast, lunch and dinner covered. Ideal if you prefer all meals sorted without thinking twice. All inclusive. All meals, drinks, some activities, and sometimes even spa treatments included. Voya pro tip: alcohol is usually included, but it's best to confirm with your resort. Exclusively all-inclusive. Boutique-style resorts offering a fully curated all-in experience. Everything from food to activities to drinks is handled for you. No full board. Some resorts skip full board, offering half board or pay-as-you-go. Great for spontaneous plans and trying local spots outside the resort. We suggest skipping half board, since you'll end up paying extra for dinner and a la carte can get pricey. Full board or all-inclusive works out much better and is more cost-effective. Voya pro tip: skip buying alcohol at India's duty-free. You can't carry bottles into the Maldives, and it's not served in Malé either. Alcohol is only available at the resorts, so no need to bring anything along. Travel like a pro. How to commute. From Malé Airport, reach your resort by seaplane or speedboat, just 10 to 60 minutes away. While most skip staying in Malé itself, it's worth a quick visit. Beautiful beaches, budget-friendly, and perfect for families or a short stop before heading to your resort. The perfect time to travel. The Maldives shines year-round, but November to April brings dry, sunny, picture-perfect days. For divers, December to March means the clearest waters and stunning marine life. How many days are just right for you? 4 to 5 days to experience the highlights. If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.
Join the sun, the sand, and the sea. Plan your dream beach vacation.